Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to use your mobile phone camera as webcam in PC or laptop. An important point, keep in mind your PC or laptop and your mobile phone should be connected with same Wi-Fi or SSID or network. Open any web browser and search in Google search engine Webcam and press enter button. Many results will appear. Top of the result you can see a website E2eSoft. Open this website. Scroll down the page. You can see here multiple platforms that support to this software. Now click on Windows. Downloading will be start. It will take some time. Installation is completed. Right click on Webcam setup and run as administrator. Installation wizard will open, select language and now accept the terms and conditions and press next button. Complete installation process, just follow these steps. Now click on next button. Installation will be started and it will take some time. It's depend upon your PC or laptop processing speed. Now installation is completed, press finish. This pop-up window will appear. This software will use your public or private network. It should be allowed from here. Now minimize this window and go back to desktop screen. On the desktop, click on Webcam icon and press Run as Administrator. Now this screen should be minimized and click on Windows 11 icon and search in search bar camera. Select the camera that you want to use. Open this camera. Now you can see here Webcam software is waiting for mobile connection. Now go to your mobile phone and install Webcam application in your mobile phone from Play Store. Now open Play Store and search here Webcam. You will find Webcam setup. Now click on install button. Installation in process. It will take some time. We can see here installation is completed. Now click on open button. Allow this application to use your mobile phone camera and also your microphone. Now we can also allow for notification. Press allow button. Open Webcam application from your mobile applications. Click on it. Now you can see we are able to use your mobile phone camera as webcam in your PC or laptop. Hope so this video will be helpful for you. See you another video. Goodbye.